And inside the box, this is how it is usually packaged. A 2-meter invisible tripod or little cute camera. There you go. There you go. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Carol Carey9, formerly known as Miss K254. If you are new here, feel welcome. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much. Feel at home. Guess what? Today I'm super excited. Oh my god. I am so excited. My birthday comes early because this being my birthday month, my birthday comes early. Yeah, I'm super excited to do an unboxing video with you guys. Guess what? I finally got myself my dream camera. Drum rolls. Please clap for me because I am super excited and I cannot wait to unbox this nice camera with you guys. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this thing for the longest time, but at the same time it has been in the house for, I don't know, quite a few weeks. It came in, I think, like 2 weeks ago. But yes, I think I am now ready to show it to you guys, and I am also ready to experience it. Oh my god, I cannot wait. So yeah, so I'll just go straight into the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also remember to leave a sweet comment down below, subscribe, and you are always welcome to share all the videos with your friends, with family. That's the only way that you can show support to my YouTube channel. Oh yes. So guys, drum rolls. I'm sure you guys have seen, but here I got myself a VIRAN V10 camera, action camera. Oh my god. Here is two new experiences, and I cannot wait to experience this camera. It's something that I've been praying for the longest time, and now I finally got it. Like I said, this is my birthday month, so my birthday comes in early. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So we are going to go straight into this video and unbox our camera. So I'll just bring you closer. Perfect. That's a perfect view, right? You can see me, you can see the camera, and now we're going to do an unboxing. Oh my god. So it came in with a box, of course. I did shop this from Alibaba, and well, before I got it, it took like 1 month before it got here. And yeah, initially I wanted to get this camera because you know, I was as I was going for my vacation to Mombasa, but I think God's timing is always the best. Here I have the camera with me, and this is the right time for me to unbox. This is the right time for me to use the camera. I'm happy. And inside the box, this is how it is usually packaged. There you go. You have this cute box that you can carry when you, maybe you're traveling, or maybe you're going somewhere and people won't even notice what you have carried in that box. So this is the box, and inside the box we have a few goodies or items that you can use. Yeah, I won't lie, I have opened the camera, but I want to show you guys. I really needed to do this video because I wanted to show you guys what I got myself for my birthday, and also my small wins. I'll always come here and celebrate my small wins with you guys, and at the moment we are at 1.4 million views. That's you know, that's an achievement, you know. Yeah, so I am happy for your support, of course. So anyway, let's go inside the box and see what we have. So there you go. As when you open the box, that is what you get inside the box. We have this adapter. This is what you use to charge your camera. Here, right here, you have, because it's an action camera and I don't have a bike, I don't have a motorbike that I can use these items, you know. So these things, there are these things inside the box that you can, you know, you can place when you're riding your bike. But since I do not have a bike, I'm going to give you a closer look when we open this. Yeah, that is how they look. We have these others. These ones mostly use them when you have a bike. So I also needed, or I rather made sure that I have an extra battery. So I got myself 2 batteries, the one that was coming with the camera, and I also got an extra one. So here is the extra battery. I also got myself a memory card, because you need a mem card for you to be able to record the videos, and also to, you know, for your photos. Yeah, so I got 128 GB mem card. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And we have these other extra things inside the box. Here you go. So this one, you use it to clean your camera. It's like the one that you're given, you know, when you go to get your spectacles or your glasses. That is the one that you're given to clean your glasses, right? So you have the same thing. So another thing that you get from the camera or from the box is a remote control. Like it shows you when you want to record a video, and when you want to take photos, you just press it, and right there you go, it starts you. So on to the most awaited item inside this box. That's all inside the box. And then we have a manual. There you go. It's a manual or a manual, whichever you like. There you go. We have a manual. And then we have a camera, beautiful camera, a little cute camera. There you go. There you go. A VIRAN V10 5K camera. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a sweet comment down below and tell me, how do you gift yourself? How do you do these things? Because I am super excited for this. To me, it's an achievement. It's something that I've always been wanting, and you know, to make my vlogging easy, especially when I am there on the road, you know, outside. When I'm not doing the vlogs here at home, I'm outside. So this one, I really wanted it to make it easy for me. So there you go. That's how it is. That's how it is. Very small. I love it. I love how small it is, because it's going to make my work easy when I'm carrying it, when I'm going places. And then of course I made sure that, you know, you can't vlog, you're going to get tired vlogging like this without a selfie stick. I got myself an invisible selfie stick tripod. Ooh, I'm super excited. Oh my god, I'm super excited. So that is the selfie stick, but it's a 2-meter selfie stick, so it doesn't stop there. So you see this button right here, you just press it. You just press it so that it opens like that. Ooh, see how cool is that? How cool is that? So if you want to place it on a table, or maybe you want to vlog, you know, just sit it down, or maybe you want to do stuff around the house, yeah, you just, you know, you press that button and you place it somewhere around your home, or you know, doing stuff. Okay, so ooh, let's perfect. You put it that back in, and then up here, this place, you just pull it so that it extends. It's a 2-meter invisible tripod, or selfie stick if you like. It's very long. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. It's very long, beautiful, very light, and I cannot wait to experience these items. Oh my god, I'm super excited. So yeah, that's the camera right there. I've been meaning, and I don't know, I think I've just been busy doing stuff here around the house. At the same time, I don't know why I've been keeping it but I believe this is the right time to do it, to do the unboxing. So yes, that's just about it. So I got myself an action camera, VIRAN V10 5K, which was very affordable. It was very affordable. I think I might give you the details on my description box, yeah, like the prices and stuff, because I can't really remember how much I got each and every item here, because for the mem card it was a different price. Yes, I got this one. It doesn't come with the camera. You have to get yourself a mem card. The selfie stick, you have to get yourself a selfie stick. You have to get yourself an extra battery. Oh yes, so that I can't remember how much they all costed. Yeah, yes. Please give this video a thumbs up. Remember to comment, leave a sweet comment down below. Tell me in the comment section, how do you like my camera? How do you like my new baby? I love it. Of course, I'm going to give you like a glimpse of you know, the videos, yeah, and stuff and photos right now in this video. So make sure to, you know, to subscribe also and share out the videos. This is what you get inside the box. So I'm giving you a closer look at this. This is what I was saying that you can put on your bike if you have a bike, because it's an action camera, and because I do not have a bike, well, these are going to stay in my, you know, locked up. Anyway, there you go. There's a lot of stuff. There is this remote right here, and there's the menu. There you go, the instructions. Okay, so they have this cute box or bag right here where there is the camera. Your camera is safe, so it got here safely, so I was excited about that. Here is the extra battery. This is the wipe cloth, and the camera is right here. Hello, there you go. And of course I got myself this cute selfie stick, which is 2 meters long, and that's just about it. Yeah. So guys, I'm now going to show you how to turn on the camera, and here is the power button right here. So you'll see a red light. There you go. Welcome. And you're going to try out the camera. So, and because it already has the SD card, it's going to record. Hi, hello guys. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Carol Carey, formerly known as Miss K to People. So I'm now going to put my tripod. Here it is. I'm going to put it down here. So you can actually zoom out or zoom in. I'm zooming in, as you can see, and I want to zoom out. There you go. There you go. And now you can see me. Hello guys, please consider subscribing to this channel if you have not subscribed, and also leave a sweet comment down below and tell me what do you think about my camera. Please share out the video also, and I'll see you on to my next video. Beautiful. So I'm now going to open the gate for my girls. Okay, yeah. I'm super excited. Please forgive me. I'm super excited for this. Is an achievement that I've always been looking forward to. So yeah, I'm super excited. All right. Anyway, see you on to my next video. Bye bye.